How to cook a perfect steak every time. Cooking a perfect steak is both an art and a science, but with a few key techniques, you can achieve a delicious result every time. Here's a straightforward guide to help you get that perfect steak. Choose the right cut ribeye, marbled with fat, juicy, and flavorful. Filet mignon, tender with a milder flavor. New York strip, slightly less tender than ribeye but still very flavorful. T-bone/porterhouse, combines tenderloin and strip steak, offering the best of both worlds. Season generously. Salt, use coarse kosher salt or sea salt. Salt the steak at least 40 minutes before cooking, or even overnight if possible, to enhance flavor and tenderness. Pepper, freshly ground black pepper adds a nice kick. You can add other spices or rub if you like, but keep it simple to let the steak's flavor shine. Prepare your steak. Bring to room temperature, let the steak sit out for about 30 minutes before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly. Cooking the steak. Pan, add a high smoke point oil, like canola or vegetable oil, to the pan just before adding the steak. For a medium rare steak, 1 inch thick, cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. 1.5 inch thick, cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Grill, place the steak on the grill and cook for similar times, flipping once. Slice and serve. Slicing, cut the steak against the grain to ensure tenderness. Serving, serve with your favorite sides and sauces. Butter based, for extra flavor, you can add a knob of butter and some garlic to the pan in the last few minutes of cooking and spoon the melted butter over the steak. Avoid overcrowding. If you're cooking multiple steaks, make sure not to crowd the pan or grill, as this can lower the temperature and cause steaming rather than searing.